Introducing the all-new Koii Cyclone vacuum cleaner. This is your ticket to a clean house without any hassle or inconvenience. The Koii vacuum cleaner is a tool made for man. It is easily assembled, easy to bring around, easy to use, and compact. It is perfect for all cleaning situations, whether reaching around corners, cleaning keyboards, high-to-reach areas, and even carpets. The Koii Cyclone vacuum cleaner is fully equipped for all your cleaning needs. Its design is lightweight, making it convenient to bring around your home. Equipped with a portable frame that packs a 1,200 watts motor, it allows for continuous strong and smooth suction power that will not falter even when it is full. And cleaning out the dustbin is such a breeze. Yes, the Koii vacuum cleaner is the #1 cleaning tool to cleaning your house conveniently. So what are you waiting for? Pick up the phone and call TeleVshop at 426-0600 to get your very own Koii Cyclone vacuum cleaner. This helpful all-around cleaning tool can be yours for the TV introductory price of only 2,995 pesos. Most vacuum cleaners are large and bulky. Their tubes cannot clean those hard-to-reach surfaces. But the Koii Cyclone vacuum cleaner leagues above the rest, providing ease of access, portability, convenience, and dependability. All for the low price of 2,995 pesos. Call TeleVshop at 426-0600 and have your very own Koii Cyclone vacuum cleaner. So what are you waiting for? Call now!